Fireworks, a spectacle that captivates young and old alike. For centuries, these bursts of light and color have transformed our night skies into breathtaking displays of artistry and wonder. Fireworks possess a universal appeal, transcending cultural boundaries and languages. They symbolize joy, celebration, and the shared experience of awe. From the vibrant festivals of India to the dazzling displays over Sydney Harbor, fireworks illuminate our most cherished events. They mark momentous occasions, like New Year's Eve and Independence Day, bringing communities together in a symphony of light and sound. The fleeting beauty of fireworks adds an element of magic, reminding us to cherish the present moment. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the science and artistry behind these dazzling displays? How do fireworks achieve their brilliant colors and intricate effects? Let's delve into the fascinating world of pyrotechnics and uncover the secrets behind these mesmerizing spectacles. The journey of a firework begins with a careful selection of raw materials. At the heart of every firework lies gunpowder, a mixture of sulfur, charcoal, and potassium nitrate. Gunpowder, one of the most important inventions in human history, serves as the primary propellant in fireworks. Colorants, the ingredients responsible for the vibrant hues of fireworks, are just as crucial. These colorants are often metal-containing salts chosen for their ability to emit specific wavelengths of light when heated. For example, strontium salts produce brilliant reds, while copper compounds create stunning blues. The selection and combination of these raw materials are essential to creating the desired effects and colors in the final firework display. It's a delicate balance of art and chemistry, requiring both precision and creativity. The captivating colors of fireworks are a result of exciting chemical reactions. When a firework is ignited, the heat generated by the burning gunpowder excites the atoms within the colorant compounds. This excitation causes the electrons in these atoms to jump to higher energy levels. As the electrons return to their original lower energy levels, they release energy in the form of light. The color of the emitted light is determined by the specific energy difference between these levels, which varies depending on the type of metal ion present in the colorant. For instance, strontium ions emit a bright red light, while barium ions produce a vibrant green. By carefully selecting and combining different colorant compounds, pyrotechnicians can create a vast spectrum of colors, from deep blues and greens to brilliant yellows and oranges. From powder to spectacle, creating a firework is a meticulous process that involves several steps. It begins with mixing the carefully measured gunpowder and colorants into a fine powder. This mixture is then carefully packed into a shell, typically made of cardboard or paper, forming the firework's core. The arrangement of the explosive components within the shell determines the firework's effects. For example, a burst of color is achieved by packing colorant stars around a central bursting charge. When this charge is ignited, it ignites the surrounding stars, propelling them outwards in a dazzling explosion of light and color. Once the shell is packed and fused, it is ready to be launched. The firework is placed in a mortar, a tube that directs its flight path. When ignited, the fuse sets off the lifting charge at the bottom of the shell. This propels the firework skyward, while a time delay fuse ensures that the bursting charge detonates at the peak of its ascent, creating the spectacular display we see from the ground. A global spectacle. Fireworks, with their captivating beauty and ability to evoke a sense of wonder, have become an integral part of celebrations around the world. They illuminate our night skies during cultural events, national holidays, and religious festivals. While fireworks add a magical touch to our festivities, it's crucial to acknowledge the importance of safety. Fireworks are explosives, and their handling requires expertise and caution. Following safety guidelines, including maintaining a safe distance and adhering to local regulations, is paramount to ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. So, the next time you find yourself captivated by a spectacular fireworks display, take a moment to appreciate the centuries-old artistry, the precise science, and the cultural significance behind these fleeting moments of brilliance that illuminate our night skies. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.